Rise and shine, skiers and riders. It's Cassie here with your Monday, January 21st Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Now that we are post-storm and the roads are cleared off, it is a perfect pathway to the mountain. Come enjoy 26 trails the storm so generously painted for us, and our groomer stepped in to top it off with corduroy on our packed powder conditions, serviced by 6 lifts. It's going to be a cold one today with a high of 1 and winds gusting up to 40 miles an hour, so take some time and warm up by the fire in the lodge. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Come join us for some family-friendly activities with WXLO Street Team, Polar Family Fun Days, Girl Scout Troop Cookie Booth, and a NASCAR race special. Go online to our calendar of events for more details. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.